top 9 IELTS phrasal verbs to impress your examiner and score a perfect band 9 in IELTS speaking. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aniket, and if you're new here, I make informative videos regarding Canada, provide free content for IELTS aspirants who want to clear the exam without any coaching classes. Also, I make videos regarding visa process, GIC, student loan for Canada, travel updates, and so on. So if you're interested in coming to Canada, or let's say clear the IELTS examination in the first attempt itself, this channel can be a Bible for you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and video ko pehle hi like kar do, because a lot of crucial information is coming on your way. And as usual, without any further bullshit, let's jump into the video. Alright, so I'll be moving in descending order from the least important to the most important phrasal verb. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And the 9th phrasal verb of our list is do away with. Do away with. It means to end or terminate. Example, personally I think we should do away with school uniforms. Students should wear what they like. Example, इसका मतलब है personally I think we should terminate or we should end school uniforms. Students should wear what they like. So in replacement of terminate or end, you can use do away with, which is a phrasal verb to boost your band score in your IELTS speaking. Alright, coming to the 8th phrasal verb of our list, which is figure out. Figure out. It means to learn the details of something or to understand or to discover how something works. Example, I figured out how to fix the television. I learned how to fix the television. You got the context, right? इसको एकदम context के basis पे use करना, हर जगह use मत करना, because it's a very popular one, and if you use in the wrong places, your band score will go low. So identify the perfect context, then use it to boost your band score. Coming to the 7th phrasal verb of our list, which is make of. Screen में आपको दिख जाएगा. It means understand or have an opinion of something. Understand or have an opinion of something. Example दे दे रहा हूँ, अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. Example is, I'm not sure what to make of this question. Could you rephrase it for me? I'm not sure what to make of this question. Could you rephrase it for me? Anything that you don't understand, or let's say you understand or you have an opinion about, can be replaced with this particular phrasal verb, which is make of, which is a band 9 phrasal verb. Use it as per your sentence constructions for your speaking module. Coming to the 6th phrasal verb, which is one of the most attractive and one of my personal favorite, which is call off. Call off. It means to stop or cancel something. Example, they called off the football match because of the weather forecast. They called off, they cancelled, they stopped, they ended the football match because of the weather forecast. It means this, and you can use it as per your sentence constructions. It's one of the very attractive and powerful phrasal verbs to boost your score to 8, 8.5 or even 9 bands. Coming to our next phrasal verb, which is come up with. Come up with. Screen में देखो. Come up with का मतलब है to think, develop or find something. To think, develop or find something. तीनों ही मतलब है एक ही phrasal verb का. Use it as per your context. I'll say you with an example. Example, they have tried their best to come up with a feasible solution to air pollution. They have tried their best to think of a feasible solution for air pollution. They have tried their best to develop a feasible solution for air pollution, or they have tried their best to find something as a feasible solution for air pollution. तीनों मीनिंग ही जाता है स्टेटमेंट के साथ. Use it as per your context to boost your score. The next phrasal verb is again one of my personal favorite and very attractive, but rarely students use it. उन लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता basically, and it is work out. No, it doesn't mean exercising or working out. In real, it means to calculate. To calculate. Example, I need to work out, I need to calculate whether I can afford to study abroad. I need to calculate the metrics whether I can study abroad. Okay, anything that is regarding calculation can be replaced with this particular phrasal verb, which sounds super attractive. One of my personal favorite, that is work out. The next phrasal verb is, which comes in the top 3 of our list, which is worn out. Worn out, W-O-R-N, out. It's not workout, it's worn out. इसका मतलब है exhaust or tired. Exhaust or tired. Example, I used to spend most of the school days. I'm sorry, this is another one. I'm usually worn out by the end of the week because I'm studying for IELTS and working as well. I'm tired, I'm exhausted by the end of the week because I'm studying for IELTS and working as well. Anything regarding tired, exhausted can be replaced with this particular phrasal verb, which is worn out, and it comes in the top 3 to boost your band score to 8, 8.5 or even 9 bands if used with proper context, with proper sentence constructions, with minimal or let's say no grammatical errors. Coming to the second most important phrasal verb of our list, which is quite rare, आप सुने नहीं होंगे, and that is goof off. G-O-O-F, goof off. It means to waste your time or avoid working. To waste your time or avoid working, or let's say simple भाषा में procrastinating. It's a simple word. Procrastinate का मतलब है laziness or just avoiding to work, sitting on the couch. Anything regarding that can be explained with goof off. It means to waste your time basically. Example, I used to spend most of my school days goofing off with my friends. goofing off with my brothers, let's say जो school में होते as usual सभी करते हैं, right? तो anything regarding wasting time or chilling or procrastinating can be termed as goofing off, goofed off, goof off in the present tense. Use it as per your context to boost your score. And finally, one of the most attractive and one of the most rarest phrasal verb among all others in this particular list is bone up on. Bone up on. It means to learn. पता नहीं होगा, it's very rare, but it's super catchy and super power packed to boost your score. Bone up on, it means to learn. Example, IELTS का example देकर बताता हूँ. I had to bone up on my English studies to push my IELTS score to a 7 or higher. I had to learn on my English studies, or let's say I have to prepare for my English studies to push my IELTS score to a 7 bands or higher. Anything regarding learning, preparation, examination can be termed with bone up on. ठीक है, you can use it as per your sentence construction to boost your band score in clicks. An examiner will be definitely impressed if you use this. Alright guys, those were the 9 most power-packed phrasal verbs which have tremendous capability in portraying yourself as a band 9 speaker in English language and also to impress your examiner of your speaking module in clicks. She'll be definitely impressed and she'll understood that you are having that particular capability in beating other aspirants and getting yourself a 9 band in speaking module. Now all you have to do is just practice these phrasal verbs so much that it comes out effortlessly from your mouth during a speaking exam, and that will definitely boost your score. And अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो वीडियो को लाइक करके जाना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाओ, because 100K is our goal. We'll building a power packed community. Until then, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Stay awesome, stay sexy. It's Aniket Shah signing off for the day.